All right, guys, so you guys should have done the review break. It was based off the notes, so it was pretty like similar. Hopefully you guys understood everything. Remember, you guys can always write me, ask me questions, just to review, but these videos are here for you guys to rewatch in case you guys need to review. So for this part, I need you guys to do a table of 4 columns. So the first one, so I'll do one as an example so you guys can see. So the first one, again, sorry if it comes out funny looking because I'm writing with the tablet standing up. So the first one can be thinner, the second one, and then the third and the fourth one, you want it to have a little bit of space. And then I suggest you add boxes as you go, that way you have space to write everything. So I'm just gonna leave that like that and just add on as I go. So this is gonna be new terms that you guys need to learn. So new terms, because you guys have to express numbers in word form, and we went a little bit through it. You guys should have done a few of these on your paper. I think you guys had the one that said like y less 17, something like that. So this is again a review of what we did already, but I want you guys to write this stuff down. So on the outside, on the first one, write the plus sign, or you could write plus if you want to. So plus sign. And then always use paper and pencil, because if you need to erase something, then it's good that you can. I'm on my tablet, so I can erase anything, but for you guys, make sure that your notes are organized, because I don't like when you guys use pens, so please don't use a pen. I mean, if you have whiteout, it's fine. Just make sure that it's organized. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think that should be it. Let's move this over. And this. Okay. So for plus, what kind of expressions do we have? We have plus, right? The word plus. We've got more than, added to, and I want you guys to put a star for this one. Some. So on the top or somewhere, make a note over here if you have space. Anything with a star and this table is the answer to. So the sum is the answer to an adding problem. So if I have 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 is the sum. It's the answer. So you guys have to know that one. Okay. In the next row over, I want you guys to write right across, because plus goes with the first row. So plus, and then an example. So in words, 2 plus 3. And then in number form, 2 plus 3. So the middle, this one right here, this is the one that matters, because they want you to express in words. More than. So we've got 2 more than 1. 2 more than 1. And this is saying 2 plus 1. Added to. 3 added to 1. So 3 added to 1. And then the sum. So the sum of 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So remember, 3 is the answer. Okay, so that's plus. Let's go ahead and add the next row. And then this one's going to be minus, subtraction, okay? So for minus, we've got less than, minus, and difference. Difference. And then go ahead and put a yellow star next to difference, because difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. How come you had to tell me my hair was messed up? Yeah, wrong for that. Okay. I didn't fix it. Okay, so okay. Next. So we've got 8 less than 10. So for this one, naturally you want to do 8 minus 10. That's not what you're doing. You're doing 8 less than 10. So 10 minus 8. Okay? So don't get it confused. It's 8 less than 10. And it's written 10 minus 8. Okay? Fix that. And then we have minus, which is of course easy. So 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2. So that one does read the same way. And then difference, which is the answer. The difference of 12 and 1. So 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11 is the difference of 12 and 1. Okay, so difference is the answer. All right, let's add our another row. Okay. So multiplication for this one. So again, I put an X so you guys can remember that it's multiplication. But remember, we do not use, I used, wait, I'm putting X so that you guys remember it's multiplication, but we do not use X. We use the dot or the star. Star. Okay. So we've got times multiplied by multiplied or multiplied by. And then we have of / per. That one has to do with fractions. And then we have, put a star, which is the answer. We have product. Product. I'm sorry for my handwriting, guys. Per. Okay, so we've got 2 times 1. So 2, not times, 2 times 1. 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 multiplied by 2. And then we have a third of slash 2 per. So if it says a third of, you're going to do 1/3 times whatever that number is. And then if it says 2 per, let's say every, so if it says 2 candies per kid and there's 3 kids, then you're doing 2 times 3. So let's say 2 per child, or 2 per kid because it's smaller. 2 per kid, and there's, let's say, 3 kids, then you're doing 2 times 3 for per. Okay, so a third of, the word of means you're going to multiply when it comes to a fraction. And 2 per or 3 per child. If there's 3 kids, you do 3 times 3, so on and so forth. And then the last one is product. So let me not do it there. So the product of 2 and 3. So that'd be 2 times 3. And then that's multiplication. So let's go ahead and add. Okay, and then this last one is division. And then we've got divided by and quotient. So this one's only 2. So divided by and quotient is the product. I mean the answer. So we've got 12 divided by 2. So 12, not divided by, we're not doing that anymore. Divided by 2, or 12 over 2. It's also division. And the quotient of 18 and 6. Oops, I wrote it in. It's fine. So 18 divided by 6, or 18 over 6. For this one, I didn't put the product. The product is 6. Okay, so that's it for the chart. Sorry, my face is blocking it. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to get a better look at it, or you can just rewind and pause. Go ahead and write that stuff down. Make sure you guys take a screenshot of it and send it to me. And I think I have a couple more notes and then we're done. Let me see. Um, all right, I think that's it. Friday, we're gonna pick up where we left off, and it has to do with this table. So make sure you guys are studying this, so that when we come back Friday, you guys have a better idea of this information, because we're gonna start writing out equations, expressions, and so on and so forth. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment, write me. I'd rather you write me. I probably won't see the comments on YouTube. Um, but yeah, other than that, go ahead and do the first review. The second review, I'll give it to you Friday, because I didn't give you all the notes. So that's all. God bless you guys.